Hello everyone! Welcome to Zyrene's Litcast, and in today's podcast, we will discuss the summary and analysis of Answer by Bei Dao. Let's have the summary. The Answer is a powerful and defiant poem written as a direct rejection of political oppression and official lies during the turmoil following China's Cultural Revolution. The speaker begins with deep disillusionment, questioning why the country remains in a chilling state of despair, symbolized by an ice age and ships clashing on a dead sea, even after the worst chaos has passed. He observes a world where moral decay is rewarded while virtue is ignored. The core of the poem is the speaker's courageous statement of independence and disbelief, which provides the poem's title. He declares emphatically, "Let me tell you, world, I do not believe." This bold line is a direct refusal to accept the official sanctioned version of reality and makes the speaker to the authoritarian game of regime. He asserts that he's willing to stand alone against the system, enduring the current suffering to ensure a better future. The poem ends on a determined note of hope. Watchful eyes of future generations will remember the struggle, ultimately confirming the enduring power of truth and history. Now we have the analysis. The poem moves from a starting point of frustration to a final feeling of determined hope, making a strong emotional journey. The hope for future generations is a desire for a future free from this political oppression and power imbalance. The ending shows the speaker's psychological determination and use of hope to cope with suffering, believing in a future where their truth will be revealed and claimed. And that would be all in today's podcast. I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless.